Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung call not sent problem or how to fix call ended problem in Samsung Galaxy. The first thing you will need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down until you see apps. You are going to select apps. And right where you see your apps in the right hand corner, you're going to tap right there to rearrange it. Then you're going to tap on show system apps, then select OK. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in phone. And from here, you're going to tap on the phone icon and you're going to select storage. Once you have selected storage, you're going to tap on clear data in the bottom left hand corner. And once you have cleared the data, you're going to tap on back again. And while in settings, you're going to tap again on the search icon at the top and you're going to select call. You want to type in call. Once you have typed in call, you want to tap on call settings. And from here, you're going to scroll down and select storage. And you're going to tap on clear data. Then tap on OK. And after doing that, you're going to go back. Then you're going to tap on the search icon again in the top right hand corner and type in call once more. And from here, you're going to tap on call right at the top. And you're going to tap on storage. And you want to select clear data in the bottom left hand corner once again. And now you'll close out of settings and you will try to make a call again, and more than likely the problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.